how to check if battery of iPhones has been boosted. So boosting an iPhone battery refers to using third-party tools to reprogram the battery controller so that it appears as 100% or it appears as zero charge cycle count. So making a degraded battery appear to have 100%. Now you might be suspicious of this. So if you open settings, go to battery, if the battery is not replaced, so iPhone is not showing battery as replaced and the iPhone is actually quite 2 to 3 years old, but it is still showing a 100% battery health, then that could mean that it is basically a degraded battery or a boosted battery. So if it is showing excellent even after 2-3 years, that is simply not possible because there will be some kind of degrade. Or if the charge cycle count is showing 0, then that could also be another case. Or third thing is by simply checking the screen on time itself. So a good iPhone's battery will last up to 6 to 7 hours or at least 5 hours minimum of screen on time, and if you're not getting that since the time of the full charge, there's definitely something wrong with your data. So if you also go to the general tab over here, basically you should be able to see if there was any type of installation or repairs made to your iPhone. So if there was, you should be able to find them in those cases as well. So hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.